one thing that steps inside an organization before you actually do? Well, guys, it's a sheet. It's a sheet that contains all information. Yes, I'm talking about a CV and a resume. Hi guys, my name is Nisha, and in this series of videos, I will clear all your doubts related to that one most important thing that actually happened before your group discussion or interview. That is your CV or resume. Guys, if you go to 10 professionals, you definitely will get 10 different information. But the good thing about this video is that here in this one video, I will clear all your doubt related to what is CV, what is resume, is there any difference between a CV and resume? Yes guys, I know that many of my students get so much confused. Sometimes they say that, resume or a CV, but actually it's a big difference as when and how to make a CV, when and where should we apply a CV, where should we apply with the resume. So I will try to clear all your doubts here. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss a single video from my channel, and do share it with your friends and family members. This way you will actually help them a lot. So guys, first of all, I will tell you about what is a CV. CV, the full form of CV is Curriculum Vitae. In Latin, it means course of life. So as that name suggests, course of life, we can understand that this CV should be a lengthy sheet of paper, right? So the minimum length of CV should be between 2 pages, like minimum we can start it with 2 pages, and it can go up to 10 to 12 pages depending on how many years of experience you have, right? So we need to, when we apply for academic jobs, in especially US, Canada and India, so any kind of academic job, or if you are applying for a research job, so you need to make your CV, that is Curriculum Vitae. So you need to have it in a very detailed manner, because it's a course of life. So whatever you have done in your professional career, you need to add all that information in a paragraph form, not in a bullet point, right? So you need to talk about your education, you need to talk about your job experience, you need to talk about all the professional career that you have, all the publication that you have, you need to talk about all the awards and achievement that you have, and many other information that I will talk about.
Hey there, if you really want to be happy and successful in life, do not forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon in order to receive all the notifications.